Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Issa here. Today we're going to work on some sight words. All, A-L-L, all. Am, A-M, am. Ate, A-T-E, ate. This morning I ate breakfast. At, A-T, at. I am at school. Be, B-E, be a good student. R, A-R-E, are. Black, B-L-A-C-K, black. The dog is black. Here's the black dog. Brown, B-R-O-W-N, brown. The pear is brown. But, B-U-T, but. Came, C-A-M-E, came. Did, D-I-D, did. I did my homework. Don't forget the period. Do, D-O, do. Do you want to go to the mall? Great job, boys and girls.